For this video, we're going to do a replacement of the light controller module. And that's this white box over here, which is a step-down regulation and also controls the dimming feature of the side lights. And to do that, go ahead and refer to our how to remove the foot deck video in the link. But we'll start the replacement from this point. Once the deck is removed, go ahead and gently pull out the light controller module. It's labeled as SP110E. This is an LED controller. And there are 3 connectors for this. The red and black is the input power source for this module. And then the 3-wire red, black, and white connections are for the left and the right LED strips. And that's it. Go ahead and grab your replacement LED controller and reverse the process. First connect the load, which is the left and the right LED strips. And then lastly, connect the input power. That is the 2-wire connector, red and black, and place the LED controller module back into its original place here. And this is just between the HUB communication box and the speed controller. So that concludes the light assembly or light controller module replacement.